Hello, this is a STM project demonstration video. The name of this project is a RC controlled timer switch. Hold on a second. You may ask, why not buy a timer instead of making it? The main reason is that a timer like this one will have a current control limit. The rated current is less than 15 ampere, so it is not recommended to drive high current electrical appliances. What if I wanted to control the on and off of an air conditioner, and the rated current of the air conditioner is in between 15 amp and 20 amp? So we cannot use this kind of timer. This is a wall mount switch which is commonly used to control the on-off of an air conditioner. The rated current of this switch is 20 ampere. I can switch it on by pressing it. As you can see, the switching status is showing on the multimeter. I can switch it off by pressing it again. Switch it on and switch it off. I've made it a prototype by an Arduino ST32 Arduino board, a RC control module, a DC servo motor here, and 2 rechargeable batteries. I used the front cover of the wall mount switch as the mechanical interface. All I have to do is to snap it on to the wall mount switch. Let's see how I do it. Okay, all set. Here's the main power switch of the Arduino board, and then the power switch of the servo motor. Let me turn it on. And here is the on delay push button, on delay status LED, on delay timer variable resistor, off delay switch, off delay status LED, off delay variable resistor, and then the Arduino board reset switch, and the number of repeating cycle variable resistor, and then here is the remote control switch. I will try to turn on the switch by pressing the remote keypad, and then we can look at the result will be showing on the multimeter. Let's see. You see, the status is on. The on delay LED is lighting up. And then, in order to protect the electrical appliances, the minimum waiting time will be 15 minutes. Because I don't want it to wait for 15 minutes, I have to reset the Arduino board. And then trigger the servo motor and turn off the switch. Again, because of the protection mechanism, I have to reset the Arduino board again. If I wanted to switch on the electrical appliance by pressing the switch on the prototype, I can do it so. If you like this project, please give me thumbs up. Thank you for watching.